Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, the West Indies kick-started their final stretch of T20 World Cup preparations with a 17-run win over the United Arab Emirates in their first official ICC warm-up game at Junction Oval in Melbourne, Australia last evening. Batting first, the West Indies got off to a poor start as they were 22 for 3 when Shamar Brooks fell for 4. The Caribbean side had earlier lost to openers Johnson Charles and Evan Lewis for 1 and 2 respectively. However, Jamaican Brandon King and captain Nicholas Perrin, who were the only batsmen to reach double figures, shared in a 95-run fourth-wicket partnership to help take the Windies to 152 for 9. King top-scored with 64 while Perrin made 46. Junaid Sadiq bagged 5 for 13 while Zahoor Khan had 2 for 24. In their run chase, the UAE were restricted to 135 for 6 as Raymond Reefer picked up 3 for 17. Mohamed Wazim top-scored with 69 not out while Zawar Fad got 29. The Windies will next be in action on Wednesday when they play the Netherlands in their final warm-up game before starting Group B qualification at the weekend against Scotland. And British sprinter CJ Uja has been banned for 22 months after he tested positive for 2 banned substances at the Tokyo Olympics. However, he has been cleared of intentionally taking prohibited drugs by the Athletics Integrity Unit, the AIU, and World Anti-Doping Agency, WADA. Britain was stripped of its Olympic men's 4x100-meter silver medal after Uja tested positive for Osterin and S23. The ban is backdated to August 6, 2021 and will end on June 5, 2023. The AIU and WADA ruled that the sprinter's anti-doping rule violation was not intentional and it was instead a result of his ingestion of a contaminated supplement. The applicable 2-year period of ineligibility was reduced by 2 months on account of the 28-year-old's prompt admittance of the violation. The ruling by the AIU and WADA means Uja will return to competitive action in time for the 2023 World Championship in Budapest next August. Great Britain's disqualification means Jamaica moved up 1 place to 4th after crossing the line in 5th position. And defending champions Kingston College could secure their spot in the second round of the Issa Manning Cup as they take on Waterford in one of 3 games from Group A today. KC are currently sitting on top of the group with a maximum 18 points, while Waterford are third on 11. The game is set for the Stadium East field. And St. George's College, who are on 15 points, could make life difficult for Calabar as the two meet at Winchester Park. Defeat for Calabar would make it difficult for the Andrew Price-coached team to make the second round. Meadowbrook High will battle with Arden in a bottom-of-the-table clash. Games kick off at 3 p.m. And Aston Villa and Nottingham Forest will meet for the first time in the Premier League since 1999 as the teams vie for valuable points in the lone game today at the City Ground. 4 points separate 16th place Aston Villa from the promoted Forest, who are bottom of the league. The teams have met 10 times with Aston Villa winning 5 while they have drawn 4 games in that time. Kickoff is set for 2 p.m. And perennial champions York United and Yalas All-Star advanced to the Sir St. Thomas Major League semi-finals after the last set of preliminary games on Sunday at Hearties Community Centre. In the curtain raiser, Yalas clobbered elite SDCFC 8-0 with a hat-trick from captain Tamar Francis with goals in the 28th, 71st and 73rd minutes. Orlando Ricketts also scored a brace while Owain Blackburn, Ray J. Brown and Alex Brown also got on the score sheet. Meanwhile, York United rallied from a goal down to beat Hearties by 3-1. Robert Stevens scored twice from the penalty spot, while Swain Thomas got the other goal. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Kelisha, it's back to you.